everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I'm going to be creating a bracelet and earring set using some of these clay beads. So I'm going to be using these. I'm going to be doing it with memory wire. I'm going to do like a 3-layer. I've got a little bit of like some beads that I'm going to be adding just to jazz it up a little bit, make it sparkle. So I've also got some round nose pliers and some wire cutters. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my 3 layers now. Alright, so I got my 3 layers cut right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these ends and I'm gonna put a little loop on the end so that we can go ahead and start adding beads and they will not fall off, because we don't want that. So all I'm going to do is just twist this up a little bit, just like that. And from there you can also add on like charms to like dangle some pendants, and it'll hang down on your bracelet. So I'm going to go ahead and set aside the colors I'm going to use, and then I'll be back. Alright you guys, so now we're moving on to the earrings. I got my beads out, and I'm just going to be using eye pins, and I'm going to keep it simple because I don't want to make them too heavy. So yeah, I got my eye pins, and I'm going to go ahead and just start adding the beads. Alright, you guys, so this is the bracelet, this is the matching earrings, this is how it came out. This is so cute. Make sure you guys get creative with this. There's so many different possibilities. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Slide the beat that you got.